Hi guys, and welcome to an employee management system developed using Excel with VBA. Okay guys, let me show you guys how this works. So first of all, let's reset. And supposing we want to search for any of the employee details here, we can use any of these criteria that we have in here. And I meant any of the criteria. Let's say we want to look for this one with £1 81p. So all you just need to enter is 1.84, 1.84 actually. There we go. Okay. You can search, like I said, you can search with any other criteria. I'm going to look for something totally different. Let's look for maybe Captain Alan. So we can just enter Captain in there. If you look up here, there's Captain right there. Search there. And we can even search using any of the reference number. The choice is yours. Just enter whatever you want to enter. That's 22 and 61 right here. There we go. Get it right here. Search there. And one other thing that we can do is we can always update. Supposing we want to update the details of Johnny. Like we have in here Johnny Dave instead of Johnny Davis. So all we then need to do is just click on update. But before I click on the update, let's come in here. That is the back end of the application itself. So let's look for Johnny. That's a thing that we have more than one Johnny. There's Johnny here. I needed Johnny with 5622. Let's see, 5622 Johnny. So that is Johnny here, 5622 Johnny. That is it right here, number 11. So if I click on update, let's see what's going to happen. And right there, guys, yeah, I think that is it. That is Johnny right there. Okay, can you see that? Okay, that's updated. So let's look in here. Because we seems to have more than one Johnny. We can always delete that. Okay, look right here. And that's it. Okay. And one other thing we can do is we can delete. Look at where we have excess Johnny. Look at this Johnny here. I'm going to get rid of that. There we go. That Johnny is gone. I still have Johnny Davis in there. So if I still have any other Johnny, let's see. There's another one. Johnny Dave. Get rid of Johnny Dave. There, that Johnny Dave is gone. And that should have been updated on the workbook as well. Okay, I think we still have one more here. Look at it. Right underneath. So let's scroll right down. Let's just tap down so we can see it. There we go. That's Johnny Dave. There's another one there. We can get rid of that one. There we go. And it's updated on our spreadsheet as well. Now, one other thing that we can do is we can always display the data of Johnny and then print it out. So you want to hit on print, go ahead, just print. So I'm going to click on, so it's going to save it straight into a PDF file and you can then print it from there. So, and that's very good. So just for your information, guys, this is just an overview. And as you can see, you can add more data and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys straight into Excel development environment and we put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys.